For me, the Commission on Substance Abuse is a gathering of minds, of individuals.
And its mission is to bring stakeholders together from across the spectrum in our community.
The Commission is a division of the United Way that helps people, and specifically, I guess in my space, helps people with mental health issues.
I'm personally involved because being part of 211 Broward, we're that major connector to those resources that are essential for a person's success who's struggling with substance abuse.
The Commission is a coalition of all of the most important organizations in Broward County that work together to try and change the stigma and to enlighten people about mental health and provide services.
It's also the heart and soul, the conscience of our community in terms of public health, in terms of substance abuse, in terms now of behavioral health, and really, integrating all the subject matter together and doing it in a way that is just so incredibly passionate.
Well, the Commission is also an organization that, aside from providing its own programming and services, provides resources to the community agencies that also address their mission.
I'm involved in the Commission because I'm a part of FISP, the Florida Initiative for Suicide Prevention, and the Commission funds a lot of the things that FISP does, and without these funds we really couldn't reach all the people that we reach and help all the people that we could help.
It's part of the United Way, and it certainly is. Western Alliance for Youth is a board that I serve on. It's really a function of the United Way to help local youth and deal with youth issues in our community.
Through working with the Broward County Commission on Substance Abuse, Broward County actually led the way with a partnership between the United Way and the Broward Sheriff's Office and the DEA to start doing all the research on this drug that came into our area.
Involvement with the Commission on Substance Abuse has been a high priority because of the tremendous impact that substance abuse has on the community to not just youth, but into all ages.
The reason that I'm involved within the Commission is a group called The Way, which is the Western Alliance for Youth, that's come together to tackle some of the issues that the Commission actually deals with on a regular basis here in the city of Weston, that being substance abuse, and so forth. I actually had a personal experience with a best friend that I lost, unfortunately, because of that.
The next 30 years, I hope, is as the last 30 years has been. Everybody comes together on these tables once a month. Good ideas are put in there. Good ideas that become actually bills and become actually laws.
The issue on substance abuse for teenagers is really big, especially in high school with peer pressure, and it's great to know that a bunch of adults that are here in the Commission are coming together to help teens and young adults move away from that.
Knowing that there are adults out there that want to try to help like us kids with the substance abuse is really good and reassuring.
Thank you for everyone who's been working in the Commission for the past 30 years. You have made my future and many others a better place. Thank you.
Think about the ripple effect that you have had. How many people have been prevented from falling into addiction or serious mental health issues because of the work that you have done. So truly remarkable. Thank you for doing this, and thank you for being here.